Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark at Central, and today I am going to show you how to use Nearpod because, well, we are starting to use that. So I am going to show you a few things that you need to know about Nearpod. The first thing being that you need to change the slide. So this is a student-paced option. If you are a virtual learner or if you are absent, you will need to be able to change the page on your own because, well, you are asynchronous, so you need to be able to do this yourself. Whereas in class, we do it for you. So this video is made for absent students and students who are virtual. So the first thing I'm going to show you, which hopefully, because you're watching this, you figured it out, but you click on this button here to change the slide. So you click right here. Okay, this is where your video should have been. I'm still in the process of making this, so it's not here yet. But this is where that video is. Okay, so I'm going to start showing you our little tricks here. The first thing I want to show you is the immersive reader. So up here in the upper left corner is the immersive reader. And when you click that button, it takes you to something that looks like this. And so what you can do on here is have it read this page to you. So for example, I'm going to slow it down, change my voice to male because the female voice bothers me. But if you like the female voice, that's fine. But you can speed it up, you can slow it down, and then this will read the page to you.
Imagine learning/homework. Discussion. Poetry vocabulary. Quizlet live. Poem structure. Exit ticket.
So see, that read that page to you. Now let's say I don't know what a word means. Like, what's agenda?
Agenda.
Okay, bad example. Let's try imagine. Let's say I don't know the word imagine. Some words have these pictures where it shows you what that is.
Imagine.
And it reads it to you. Something you can do on here is change the text size to make it small or really big. You can change the font. You can change the background. So say like the white background bothers my eyes, which is why I wear these glasses. Like it just hurts my eyes. So I'm changing to dark mode, and now like the screen doesn't hurt my eyes as bad. Or you can customize it and say you like pink. Well, you can have a pink screen. That's fine. You can also decrease the spacing or increase it. You can make this work for you. Another thing I want to show you is the grammar, because sometimes we just need to know the part of speech. So I want to see all the nouns. So here I can see the nouns. This is helpful when we like do grammar stuff together. The next thing is a line focus. If you are someone that this is overwhelming, I only want one line of text, you can click on this and it will focus on just one line so that you can read it yourself. You can also do 3 lines, or you can do 5, or you can turn this off and just have it. You can turn the picture dictionary on or off. I like it on because I think that's helpful. So like
Poem.
That's the picture dictionary, just gives you the pictures. And the last thing that this does is it translates. So I don't know how good it does because everything's written in English. But let's say I want to translate this to Spanish. So I'm going to click Spanish, Latin America, and you can do this by word.
Imagine. Learning.
So see, it's not perfect.
Homework.
Okay, it's not doing what I want. Or you can do this by document if it's not working. It did a little bit better there. See, it has
vocabulario.
So it doesn't do great, but it's something. It's not translating this for some reason, but you know homework's tarea, so it's fine. It just doesn't do Latin America. Let's see how it does with Spain. Okay, it's still working. This is new, so here we go. Mexico. For whatever reason, Mexico is the only one that works, so I'm sorry. But it's something. And again, you can speed it up. So that was the main reason why I made this video, to show you that, so that you know you can listen to this at any time. I do want to show you some other stuff though. So right here on the right side of your screen, you have a note tab. And if you click that, you can choose how you want to save your notes for class. So I would save to your Google Drive and sign in. I'm going to sign into mine. Hit allow. And now you can type your notes here. So this will go by slide. And so I'm going to write agenda, discussion, vocab, home structure, exit ticket. And it's going to save those notes to my drive. And then, so same thing here. And then these are links that take you to other places. So if you're doing Imagine Learning, you click that link, it takes you to the login page. So that's cool. I'm trying to get to the activities. Here we go. Okay, so here's our first activity, and this is called a collaborate board. And so when you are in a class of multiple people, you have this collaborative board where you would be able to see what other people think too. The main thing is you have to click post when you're done. So you'd write, like, the question is, what do you know about poetry? I know poetry is blank. I'm not answering it for you. You'll have to think. I'm sorry. Then you can hit post, and it will pop up here. You can also add a picture. And it will show different things. Just make sure, like, it's appropriate because it's Google. And you can post that too. And so it will have this. And if you're in a class where you have a lot of people, you can heart, like, other people's stuff to say that, oh, I like what you said. So the next thing I want to show you is videos. When you watch videos, sometimes I will have questions. This one doesn't because my life's a mess. And you can click on this to slow it down if it goes too fast. And you can take notes on the video while you watch. Okay. So this is going through today's presentation, which I will make a separate video for. I just want to show you how Nearpod works. So I'm skipping all of this. It's a lot of notes today. Okay. So the last thing you have is this draw it slide. That should be a draw it slide where you would, like, circle something. Here it is. Okay, so you have the pen, And so you can circle where you are. It's okay if you're here. Say, oh, wait, no, I got this. You can erase what you did. Oh, wait, that's a highlighter tool. My bad. You can highlight with that. You can type. Like, I'm like this because I don't understand poems. So you can tell me why you're struggling. You can add a picture. So you could show me, like, I'm so confused. I don't get it. You don't have to do this for every one of them. Or, you know, oh, wait, I don't like that. I got this, actually. So then you can erase what you put. It's kind of annoying. So we're going to make it bigger. Yes, if you click this, you can make it bigger. And so you can erase more at the same time. Or if you're just doing a spot check, you can erase less. And I will be able to see it. Or if you don't like anything, you can trash it. Bye. And then you can start over. Got it. Yeah, leave me alone. Oh, it won't let you submit, though. So, you can't. Oh, wait. Make sure you press submit when you're finished. And then it will tell you, oh, good job, you're finished. And then that's it. So I hope this video helps you figure out how to work Nearpod. The big thing is using that immersive reader and these note pages. So if you have any questions, please email or message me or Miss Warren so that we can help you. And thank you for watching. Bye.